Guys, today I will do the tutorial on how to run a front-end application, say React, on a service called Netlify. So this is Netlify. First you need to create an account using Netlify. You can use either Github or Bitbucket to you create an account. I will again relog in using my same GitHub account. So this is the dashboard, and here you can have the option to uh, add an existing project to uh, to run the front end application and host it here. So if you go uh, to my repository, I have this Netlify demo or React app. That's a simple React app. So this is my React app. So let me run my React app using npm run start to demonstrate how my app is running in my local machine. I'll use this app from my repository to host it on a public URL using Netlify. So let's proceed. I'll choose import an existing project. I just need to click GitHub. Since I'm already authorized with my GitHub account, since I'm using my same GitHub credentials, I just need to search my repo Netlify demo. Branch is main, of course, and they will ask for the basic build settings. So say if your app is inside the client folder, suppose if your app is inside the client folder, some repositories have front end and back end in different folders. Say example, client will be front end React code, or front end Vue.js, whatever it is, Angular. It could be in the React client folder, and your backend can be in the backend folder. So um, in our case, we don't have luckily different folders, subfolders. All our front end code is in the parent directory, and so we don't need to specify the base directory. It will be like dot slash, so we don't need to specify that. And our basic build command is npm run build. This is the basic React build command. So if you go to package.json, and if you go build, React already has it sorted out, so you don't need to worry about it. This will publish a new directory after during the deployment. It will run this command first. Netlify will run this command. After that, all our final artifacts, this is React is like a uh, pre-written, like a program. So whatever we are developing right now, it is not the final production uh, code output. The production code will be only after we run this build. So we'll get the basic HTML CSS file inside this build folder. So there are env variables that we don't need to worry about. We just need deploy site. So it's deploying now. It will give us a random like a cool name for the site. Still building. Meanwhile, we can just change the domain settings if we want. We can bookmark. We can go to the site settings. So in the build and deploy, the basic build commands we gave, and if you go to the domain, this is the main domain. This is the default domain we have. So after our deployment, let's see the deployment. Yes, I think the deployment already published at 8:19. Let's see. That's it. Our app is running successfully in the public URL serving type twilight blah 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 netlify.app. So that's it. Our local app is now running in this public URL using our Netlify. And in case you need to change the domain or buy a new domain, and using some other service called AWS Route 53 or something, you can change the domain also here. So Netlify gives us all the custom features. Also Netlify has this proxy feature, redirect feature, and they also Netlify also gives us the netlify.toml file to configure this redirect and proxies in to specify them in this in our repository. uh, so that I will explain later in an upcoming video. So that's it about this current video. Thank you guys.